first of all, if we start by undoing the little black grub screw in the ceiling rose, that should slip off. Then on the inside, there should be a bigger black screw that can just come undone. Then, if you hold inside on the lamp holder to keep it all in place, you should be able to untwist the top. The part that needs to be removed should be able to just slide off, keeping all of your cable in that intact. Should be able to then get your replacement, slide it on to the existing parts. Whatever you had on top, just slide it back down the cable. And your cord grip on top. Now to tighten it properly, you might have to just get your hand inside, sort of, and just twist it onto that thread that is sticking out the top. And you should be able to get that tight enough. Then, if we get our black grub screw again, put that back in to secure the cable again. Tighten that. And then simply pass the cable back through the ceiling rose or whatever length you wanted it and retighten that screw. And that should be good.